Okay, here's the CNC machine. I'm making some progress on it here. I got power all hooked up to everything. Got my little circuit breakers right down here. Power to the computer, the power supply. And then this big plug is hooked up to a 30 amp 240 volt breaker that will power my plasma cutter for when I'm doing CNC plasma stuff. So yeah, I got the computer hooked up, power supply's all hooked up, got a couple of the drives hooked up, got kind of a rough tune going on it, running 10x micro stepping on the Intelligent Motion IM804 driver. So thought I'd give you a little demonstration of it moving. Everybody likes that. I don't know if I'll be able to see much of it while I'm running it at the same time, but got to enable it. So that's 350 inches a minute, supposedly. My calculations I haven't done real accurate yet, but that's ballpark anyway. It can go a lot faster than that. This is 48 inches of working space on the x-axis here, so I think the actual travel is like 52 inches or something like that. I can't remember right now. But there, we stepped it up to 600. Obviously, I start to run out of room before I almost crash into the end of the thing. But that's 600. I'm pretty confident it could do a lot more than that, probably 1200 or more if I had the space. And if I turn the acceleration up a little bit, I've got it set pretty low right now because everything's kind of ghetto rigged together, as you can see. But see, that was close. But yeah, it's working. It's you know, kind of hobbled together right now. I don't even want to show you all the wires on the back that the power supply is hooked up to right now because it's all just rigged up. But we are making progress. It works. It moves. The Z-axis I'm not too sure about. It's really heavy, and I don't know if that motor is going to have enough torque without gear reduction. I tried to move it a little bit right now, but the way I have things rigged up, I can't really do it right now. So I'll try and hook it up a little different later and see if I can at least test it out and see if it'll be able to move its own weight or not. Of course, the router's not even on there yet, although that's not even as heavy as the Z-axis itself. But we'll see. Either way, maybe I'll have to do gear reduction on the Z to give it more torque to be able to move that heavy axis. It's really heavy. I haven't weighed it yet, but this is all 1/2 inch thick aluminum, and there's quite a bit of it. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions or tips or things you see that could be better or whatever, go ahead and comment. Of course, I'm on the forums all the time, so hopefully we'll make it quite a ways further. One more thing I did want to show you is this power cable. This thing's a beast to be able to run everything. It's pretty thick cable. It's at least as thick as my thumb. I have pretty fat thumbs. It's 10-3 is the gauge for it, and I'm running. It goes 240 volts input to this sub box right here, and then I've got 4 110 volt circuits running off of that. Those are in the boxes right here. They're duplex outlets, so you break off the little tab, and then each one is run separately. So each one of those is its own circuit. And then, of course, the big 240 volt outlet for the plasma cutter. And that computer, of course, I built that. It's pretty old, but it's actually the first computer I ever built when I was like 12 years old. So 1.2 gigahertz, 512 megabytes of RAM, I think. Nothing by any of today's standards, but when I was 12, that was pretty good computer. So there it is. I'll keep updates coming as I make more progress. I think we'll be a little delayed for a little bit. I gotta wait for some other parts to get in to finish up. Actually finish mounting the X and the Z axis, and then the Y is actually non-existent right now. It's not even really anywhere there, but yeah, stay tuned. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm excited, so hope you are too.